Hello everyone, I want to make a presentation about myself. First part, who am I? My life have three parts: education, professionally, and as a refugee. I was born in a small town in Turkey. My family were not educated and had not enough money to support my educations. But I went the science high school. It was important because at that time Turkey had only 15 science high schools. Then I went to Istanbul and studied industrial engineering in Yıldız Technical University. After the graduation, I started to work in a public institution. I chose the institution because at that time Turkey had a very bad economic crisis, and the salaries in private companies were lower. And this institution is very important for Turkish economy. After the army crisis in 2016, I lost my job. I tried to find a new one, but it was impossible. Then I entered the university exam again and had a very good degree. I could easily study again as a doctor or dentist, but I had to run away because of the police came to my home. And third part, as a refugees, I came in 2017 in Germany. I lived in a refugee camp 3 months. Then I came to my village. First, I learned German. Then I started to search a job, but it is impossible to find a job without any related experience. While I was waiting desperately, I took a message from my friend and I met with ReDI. In ReDI, I take Python course. I have already wanted to take a Python course, but Job Center rejected my offer to take a paid computer course. In ReDI, I learned a lot of things about Pythons and Python libraries, and it is a screenshot about my end of semester project. This diagram shows that the German software developers' age distributions. What is ReDI for me? I see ReDI not only a computer course, but also a platform to meet people like me and people like wanted to help us. It is important to refugees to communicate local community. Unfortunately, a lot of refugees live in ghettos and have not enough chance to integrate the community. ReDI gives the chance for us to communicate with local people. I hope I will find a good job with help of ReDI community. Thank you for your attention.